What is your question? Done?
Yes.
Go down.
17.
Question number 17.
Question number 16.
Question number 16. What is that?
How many shots each having?
Huh?
How many shots each having?
How many shots? How many shots? Right? Of radius of shot is
3 centimeter.
radius of shot is equal to
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter.
Can be made from.
Huh?
Can be made from cuboidal lead solid of dimension.
Cuboidal. This is how many lead shots? You know, n into volume of a spherical shot, na?
Yes.
Spherical shot is equal to volume. What it is saying?
Can be made from a cubical lead solid of dimension 9 centimeter.
These are into n, and we are making from a
Cubical lead solid.
cuboidal, right? You are making it from a cuboidal. Cuboidal is like this. This is a cube. So what are the edge of cube?
9 centimeter into 11.
Cuboidal है. It's cuboidal. So 9 centimeter
Into 11 centimeter into 12.
into 11 centimeter into 12 centimeter. So that is equal to volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid, right? So that is n is equal to n into number of spherical shots, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to, that is 9 into 11 into 12, right? And it's so n into 4 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 9 into 11 into 12. So this 3 and 3 is cancelled. 3 times 3 becomes 9. So this 9 is cancelled, right? And this is how much? 1 time 3 times 4 becomes 12. So n is equal to 33. So number of spherical shots is 33. What is your answer? Number of spherical shots.
84.
Huh? How many?
84.
Oh. Oh, sorry.
22.
Yes. I have not taken here I have not taken here 22 by 7 is equal to, right? So this will not like this. It is n into 22 by 7 is equal to 11 into 3. It becomes 2. Equal to and I rub all this. We do it again. That is n into 4 by 3 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3 into 3, right, is equal to 9 into 11 into 12, right? So this 3 and 3 is gone, and 3 times 3 becomes 9. This is gone. 4 times 3 there is 3. Now, how many you are saying?
84.
Radius is 3 centimeter. What is written there?
Diameter is 3 centimeters.
2, 2 and 2. This is radius is 3 by 2. So n is equal to, and this is 2. This 2 and 2 is cancelled out, and this is 28 into 3. 8 times 3 becomes 24. We get 2. 3 times 2 becomes 6 to 8. 84. This is. So we both make a mistake. Radius is 3 by 2. As diameter is equal to 3 centimeter. Diameter is 3 centimeter and radius is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 cube, and we get number of shots is, so this is equal to number of shots, right? Number of shots we have. Now what we have next in this? What is next question you have?
Vessel in the form of a vessel in the form
Question number
14.
no 15. 14. Yes.
A vessel in the form of inverted cone
There is a vessel in the form of inverted cone like this,
filled with water.
Okay. It is having
The brim
till up to brim. This is water. Inverted conical vessel filled with water, right, up to brim, then what happens?
Height is 20 centimeter.
Its height is, this is radius and this is height. So height is 20 centimeter.
And diameter is 16.8.
16.8. So it is how much?
8.4.
So radius is 8.4 centimeter.
Two equal solid cones.
Huh?
Two equal solid cones are dropped in it so that they are
Equal solid.
two equal solid cones.
Equal to equal solid cones drop in it.
So that they fully submerged.
Which fully submerged.
As a result,
Which?
1/3
Which fully submerged. राइट, तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? 2 into volume of cone is equal to how much? क्या कह रहे हो आप? कितना वॉल्यूम?
1/3 of the water in the original cone.
1/3 of volume of cone. Right. So this is
What is the volume of each of the solid cones submerged?
okay. So volume of cone, volume of a cone immersed is equal to 1/6 into 1/3 into 22/7 into 8.4 into 8.4 into 20, right? It is how much? 1.2. Is it? 1.2. This is 0.2. This is 2.8. Up this is 22 into 2.8 into this is how much? 4. This is 4. Yeah, this is and this is multiplied, you get 4. Now again it is 88 into 2.8 centimeter cube. So it is how much? 88 into 2.8. 246.4 centimeter cube.
Yes.
So volume of a cone is this much.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So volume of a cone emerged is equal to 246.4 centimeter cube, right? This is the solution of question number 14. Should I rub?
Yes.
Cuboid 12, 11 and 9, right? This is we have cuboid for 16 question. Okay, what next we have? Which we have to do now?
There is a
Which question?
13.
13. You are choosing the question at your convenience, huh? हंसना मना थोड़ी ना है. Question number 13. हाँ. Yes.
There is a water to height 14 centimeter
Where?
in a cylindrical glass jar.
There is a cylindrical glass jar, right? Where water is up to
14 centimeter.
14 centimeter.
Radius is 8
14 centimeter, huh?
Radius is 8 centimeter.
Radius is 8 centimeter.
Inside the water,
Radius is 8 centimeter. Now,
inside the water, there is a sphere of diameter 12 centimeter, completely immersed.
okay. When you immerged, this is immerged. What? Immerged sphere of radius.
Diameter 6.
Yeah.
Diameter is 12 centimeter. And
Radius is 12 by 2 becomes 6 centimeter. There you will immerse a sphere. So this sphere is like this, right? This is अब इसमें क्या है?
completely immersed in water तो क्या है?
कंप्लीटली जब इमर्ज करोगे तो वाटर का लेवल राइज कर जाएगा ना. राइज इन लेवल ऑफ वाटर इज इक्वल टू volume of sphere. So rise, suppose water comes up to here, right? This is rise in level of water. What is asking?
By the what height will the water go down when the sphere is removed?
Matlab, you are saying that a sphere is in a cylindrical glass jar which is of 6 centimeter radius and okay, and height of water is 14, right? Means this height is from here, this is 14. So when it is removed, so raised volume of water is equal to volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 this is अगर इसको हम पाई में ही रखें तो कितना हो जाएगा?
So radius 6 centimeter हो जाएगा.
Volume of water we are, अच्छा, we are getting volume of sphere. Volume of water raised is equal to volume of sphere, so it becomes how much? 6. 6 into 6 into 6. 3 times 2 times 3 becomes 6, or it is 8 into 36 pi centimeter cube. Pi centimeter cube. This much is volume of water. This is the volume of a sphere, right? So volume of water raised फोर्टीन सेंटीमीटर है, when the sphere is inside and So it is cylindrical now. Pi r square bracket h minus h dash. Right? So this is pi r square h minus h dash is equal to this pi and pi is gone, and this is radius is how much? 8 na? 64 into height is 14 minus h dash is equal to 288 centimeter. Right? This is 64 centimeter square. This is cube. So square gone with centimeter. So this is how much? 64 into 14. Huh?
Radius.
सिलेंडर का तो 8 है ना, स्फीयर का भी है ऑलरेडी टेकन 6, राइट? तो रेज इन वॉल्यूम इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच माइनस एच डैश. तो ये एच डैश जो है वो इसकी इनिशियल वैल्यू है. एच डैश इज इनिशियल वैल्यू 6, 9 and 8, राइट? या ऐसा कर सकते हो 14 माइनस एच डैश इज इक्वल टू 288 अपॉन 64, राइट? कितना हो जाएगा? This is 14 minus h dash is equal to 36 by 8. So it is 4.5 centimeter. So h dash means initial height or height of water. What is your answer? Height of water on
4.5.
moving sphere. Is equal to h dash is equal to 14 minus 4.5. It's 9.5 centimeter. This is the initial height. This is the raised height. So what is asking? What is question?
By what height will water go down when the
Acha.
space?
So height. So this is initial height, right? And this is raised height. This is raised height, raised height is equal to 14 centimeter and initial height is 9.5 centimeter. So height क्या है? हाँ? क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Height water go down where the spear.
Height of water go down is equal to r minus r dash. 14 minus 9.5 becomes 4.5 centimeter, right? What is answer is?
4.5.
So this is the thing, you know, मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक की ये जो हाइट है, टोटल हाइट तुम्हारी यहाँ से यहाँ तक की जो है वो और यहाँ से यहाँ तक की जो हाइट है वो है 9.5 सेंटीमीटर, राइट? इनिशियल हाइट ऑफ वाटर, और ये रेज्ड हाइट है इज इक्वल टू एच. सो डाउनफॉल कितना हुआ? वाटर गो डाउन इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल आर, कैपिटल एच. ओ it's not H R dash. It is water goes down is equal to H minus H dash. Yeah, H minus H dash. So initial height was 14. Raised height was 14 and initial height is 9.5. So you get 4.5. Water will fall 4.5 centimeter. This is in centimeter. So this is what is next?
So next question.
What is? This how much? Question number 12. What is that?
Cylindrical can of internal diameter.
Cylindrical can. Cylindrical can of internal diameter.
21
Huh?
21 centimeter
Internal
contains
diameter is equal to 21.
centimeter water contained.
Huh?
cylinder diameter 21 centimeter contain water.
हाँ ठीक है.
A solid sphere whose diameter is 10.5.
So there is cylindrical can like this, right? Filled with water, na? Filled with water. Okay, what happens? And then you put there a, what you are putting?
Solid sphere whose diameter is
Solid sphere.
lowered into the cylindrical can.
Huh?
Lowered into the cylindrical can.
What is the diameter? Radius of sphere?
Diameter is 10.5.
Diameter of the sphere is 10.5 centimeter. So what is radius? Radius is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Huh? So there is a sphere. Okay.
The sphere is completely immersed in water. Calculate rise in water level, assuming that no water overflows. Assuming that no water overflows. Find rise in water.
It is filled with water. There is water. So what do you have to find?
Find rise in water.
Rise in water. Its radius is 5.25. कितनी हाइट है इसकी? हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर इज गिवन.
21 centimeter.
अबे डायमीटर दिया है 21 सेंटीमीटर.
That's the height we need.
Okay. 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 So volume of water in cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. यही तो होगा. So pi r square bracket h minus h dash is equal to 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. ठीक है? So this pi and pi is gone, and that is 21 divided by 2. 1, 2, 1, 10.5. So 10.5 whole square into h minus h dash is equal to 4 by 3 into 5.25 whole cube. Right? So rise what it is asking?
Rise in water level.
Rise in water level. Rise in water level is equal to h minus h dash is equal to 4 by 3 into 5.25 into 5.25 into 5.25 upon 10.5 into 10.5. Right? This is 2 times 2 times 2 becomes 4, and this is divided by 2, you get 5.25, and this 2 is divided by this 10.5 divided by 2, you get 5.25. So 5.25 is cancelled out, and when you get, so rise bracket h minus h dash is equal to 5.25 divided by 3. कितना आता है? It is 1.75 centimeter. This is मतलब initially water was here. Initially water was here, and its height is h dash. When you put the sphere inside it, then level of water rises up to here. And now the height is h dash. This is h. Now height is h. ठीक है? is the solution. This much is rise. Rise in level of water, that is H minus H dash 1.75 centimeter. Right? Done? This was the same question what you have done earlier. So 12th. We have done up to 12th. So which question is now?
Yeah.
What is that?
A well with inner diameter. A well with inner diameter.
Question number?
11.
Question number 11. There is a well. Right? Like this. So it is inner diameter is
6 centimeter
inner diameter is equal to 6 centimeter.
is
So radius is equal to 3 centimeter. So inner radius is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter.
This is the 22 meter deep.
Yeah. So its depth is how much? Depth is
22.
suppose this is the well. This is filled with water now.
Soil is taken out. Soil is taken out.
What is height?
22
22
meter.
meter. Now?
Radius is also in meter. Radius is also in meter.
Acha, in meters. Okay. Meters. Okay. Meters. Now?
Soil is taken out of it, has been spread evenly all around it too.
Oh my God. So you dug this well, and so this is not water. This is dug out well. Dug out well. Right? So volume of soil come out is equal to volume of what?
All round it to a width of 5 meter to form an
Embankment.
Find the height of the
Embankment is equal to volume of embankment. Right? What is the thickness?
5 meter.
Thickness is 5 meter? The outer radius is 5 meter.
Sorry, width.
Oh, no. I do understand. You are not understanding, but I understand this. This is, you know,
Evenly spread all round.
if I remove it from here, right? So, inner diameter is 3 meter, right? And there is an embankment. Embankment is here like this. Like this, there is an embankment which is having thickness of what is the thickness of embankment?
Thickness 5 meter.
This is embankment, right? This is the embankment we have, and it is having height h. So volume of soil is pi r square h is equal to volume of embankment by capital R square minus small r square into h. This pi and pi is gone, and you have r square is 3. 3 whole square into 22 is equal to 3 plus 5 becomes 8. 8 means 64 minus 9 into h.
So just give width 5 meter given a book.
Width we added together ना, so from center जो radius हो जाएगा, ये जो radius हो जाएगा इसका outer radius जो होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा? Outer radius is from here. This is 3 cent. Oh, it is in meters, na? Sorry.
Yes.
It is in meters. So 3 meter plus 5 meter. So it is 8 meter, right? So it is how much?
51.
So 9 into 22 upon 55 is equal to h 2 5. H is equal to 18 by 5. It is 3.6 meter.
Yes.
Huh? So height of embankment of embankment is equal to 3.6 meter. Right?
Yes.
This is your question answer of your question. So do you understand? This is the embankment means आपने ये ग्राउंड लेवल पे है, मतलब ये जो चीजें की जाती हैं ये ग्राउंड लेवल पे की जाती हैं, राइट? ये यहाँ से आपने ये ग्राउंड है, ये ग्राउंड लेवल पे आपने किया, वो हमने मान लिया कि well is some part of well is on up and down, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है, इसका मतलब ये जो है थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया है। ये well जो होगा हमारा, it should be like that, it should be like this, it should be like this. I did that question, so I won't make diagram again. It is of 3 meter, right? And you make an embankment, all around it of thickness of embankment is 5 meter. It is 3-dimensional structure we have. Basically this is like this, right? And it is not here, it is all around the well, right? And now तो ये जो है ये हमारा ग्राउंड लेवल है, ये हमारा ग्राउंड लेवल है, ये ग्राउंड है, राइट? ये आपने इसके अराउंड एक एम्बार्कमेंट बनाया, तो एम्बार्कमेंट में क्या है कि ये जो है इसमें से जो अमाउंट ऑफ सॉइल डग आउट, अमाउंट ऑफ सॉइल dug out amount or volume of soil dug out is equal to volume of embankment, right? It should be like this. This is we have, so volume, and they both are equal. Amount or volume of soil dug out is equal to volume of embankment. Embankment का वॉल्यूम क्या, इसका वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? इसका वॉल्यूम होगा पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, राइट? और इसका वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? That is pi capital R square minus small r square into h. They both will be same. ठीक है, volume of embankment is equal to this. So what we have done here is like this, but the diagram should be like this because we are digging out soil from inside, right? And if we are making it little bit up, the soil will come from here, so it is little bit wrong, but understanding is like this. Embankment means whatever parking you are making, right? Here what you can do, you can put a wall here again for safety purpose. You can put wall around us also, right? This is the wall you make, and above it you put a, like this. This is a wheel, and we have like this. Right? This is the wheel. So this is the whole understanding of a well. We are getting the soil from this side only. This is how we make the well. Just to give you an idea. You have seen the well?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So it is sometimes it is looks like that. Always there is an embankment and there is a wall. Around it there is a wall. To because अगर इसको हम ground पे रखेंगे तो क्या होगा? It can be dangerous for life, right? So to prevent that, what we do it like this, right? This is whole understanding of the question, and this is how you can do that. Volume of soil dug out is equal to volume of embankment, and volume of embankment is this. Volume of volume of embankment is basically अभी मेरे को याद आया, वॉल्यूम ऑफ hollow cylinder, right? ये hollow cylinder हो गया ना, नहीं ऐसा? This is, and this is the height of embankment. Yeah. This is height of embankment. Here. This is whole imagination of what we have done, right? I hope you understand. How much? So how many we have done? 11.
Yes.
Now do the 10th. Do the 10th.